ओके, मला एक क्विक डेमो रेकॉर्ड करायचा होता. कीनोटमध्ये प्रेझेंटेशन कसे असतात आणि कॅनन-डीच्या थोड्याफार नोट्स काढल्या होत्या. चांगला एक्झाम्पल आहे. बेसिकली काय दाखवता येईल. नोट्समध्ये बेसिकली थोडेफार पियानो थेअरी, शीट म्युझिक कशी वाचायची, ती स्किल काय असते, कार्ड्स कुठल्या वापरल्यात, का वापरल्यात, तर लक्षात ठेवायला एक ट्रिकी फिगर आहे आणि इट्स इंटरेस्टिंग अँड टू सी द पॅटर्न्स. डी मेजरमध्ये काही नाही. बेसिकली द दोन ब्लॅक कीज ज्या आहेत कुठल्या वापरतो. Basically, it helps to reduce number of keys you are going to play from 12 to 7, which is like reducing complexity to halfway. Sheet music असतेच आणि तू म्हणशील मला sheet music वाचता येत नाही. In that case, this is how you visualize. This is how the piano aligns to that sheet music. आणि this is an easy way to remember. The left hand, the between the lines जे आहेत notes, the F, A, C आणि E आहे. Uh, face. If you can remember, okay, if something is between the lines, FAC, uh, it can help you. It's like an acronym people use. And on the line साठी every good boy deserves fun. And he figure complicated, scary, but simple. It helps you key how many flats or sharp will be in a specific card. On top of it, it is a circle of fish. So in this case, A is 5 steps next to D, which helps you okay, easy to find out okay which is going to be the fifth. Fifth is basically a dominant chord and which is used current D major असेल तर D is a root chord. Root chord is like okay it kind of gives you a feeling of satisfaction and say typical progression goes from D to A somehow to create the go to dominant to create tension and then it comes back to D. तर कुठल्या chords या गाण्यात suit होतील. I kind of circled them, which chords will be used in this chord, and you will see everything is just clustered around D. And these are the chords used, and that's the whole progression. And I'll go that slide back. Uh, Orange ones are basically major ones, and the green ones are the minor ones. And I wrote down the notes there. And the progression is basically these 8 chords. And the way I would remember them is like, okay, there are two major, two minor, then again rest of them are major. आणि every scale there will be either 3 major and 3 minor. So तुला जर एखादं सॉन्ग कंपोज करायचं असेल you can't just say I will just own मी फक्त 3 मेजर कॉर्डच वापरेल आणि मायनर कॉर्ड वापरणार नाही then you are quite limited. So you have to add minor chords anyway to add some kind of tension. It's like a movie. You create a tension and then you have happy ending. आणि हे सुरुवातीच्या काही keys होत्या. Basically, you miss out on some of the keys and you're like, what is the pattern in there? तुम्ही leftला त्या highlight केल्या. Basically, you will see this is the pattern. D, F sharp, which is like first two of the chord. Then you use the last two of the next chord, and you kind of keep repeating it. And you're like, still I don't see a pattern. And unless I believe the pattern this slash why you can't remember because even remembering 8 is so difficult for me. I cannot remember more than 3. So I started thinking what pattern I can find. And I found one pattern. On the left hand side, it goes from D, 3 steps left जातो, D to A. And then you go 1 step right. And you kind of repeat that, go 3 steps left, 1 step right pattern till you to reach another lower D. And then you're anyways, you cannot just keep going on left forever. You have to come back because there is, and you will see while you come back to play G and A play kartos, which are the major ones. So you started with the root note, happy one, you created tension, then you went to back to the happy place, and then you kind of ended up the whole thing with, and anyway, you have to return back. So you use the major chords, happy ones. And if you repeat the whole pattern twice, look at the picture. It looks so complicated, but when we saw the pattern, like this previous slide, that everything is just going to left and right, and you kind of repeat it. It's like the pavement असतात ना रस्त्यावर. So it's kind of pavement design, and you're like, ah, if I can see this pattern, I can play the whole song. When you think like a composer, you will know telling why he has done something, what would be the next step. Then remembering is so easy. And that's what I just wanted to share, that this whole pattern is quite, once you start seeing it, you might be a pro in no time.